quickly let us look at exponents. What are they? So for example, you have a number that has a tiny little number just above it, like you put in your right hand on your right hair, something. See, it looks like a power. This number, today we're just going to label it. In this lesson. Maybe you check the next lesson and see how to expand it. Okay. So this is called the power, or you can also call it an index. It's also called an index. That's a small number above another number, right? And then we can also call it an exponent. Okay, the numbers are usually not written as big as this. I'm just trying to exaggerate it in your mind, right? And then this number that is carrying another number is called the base. So this is the base, right? So numbers in this form would usually have a base, okay? And then we have the small little number, like a superscript, right? That is called the power, or we call it the index, or we call it the what? The exponent. So what does this tell us? This power tells us the number of times a number is used in multiplication, right? So this does not mean 2 times 3. No, this is wrong. This tells us that multiply 2 in 3 places, or 3 times. Okay, so let's see some other ones, and then you tell me which is the power and which one is the exponent. So if I have 5, right, and I have this little number here, 4. How do I read this? This means 5 to the power of 4, right? It means that this base, right, has the power of 4. Is that clear? Okay, so I want you to tell me this number. How many times would I use 7 in a multiplication? How many times?